Gopal, Faculty of Science in SRN International School, and today I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. And today in this subject video we will be studying about a very important topic, that is S block in class 11 chemistry. So in this topic we will be studying about the elements that are included in the S block and the various compounds that are formed by the S block elements. So what are we waiting for? Shall we start with the S block elements? So let us do it. So S block elements are divided into two groups. The first A group and the second A group. In this we are having basically all the metals. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium. These are some of the examples of the metals which are included in the 1A or the first A group. And in the second group we are having elements such as magnesium, calcium, strontium. I have also got a trick for you children. For example, if you want to learn the elements of the 1A series, there is a very important trick for this. That is, है लीना की रब से फरियाद. That means hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Although hydrogen is not a member of this S block series, but you all know that the position of hydrogen is not fixed. Hence, it is not included in the S block. After that, in the second series, we have got beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium. So all these elements can be remembered by a very important trick, that is beta mange car scooter baap raji. So these are the two tricks by which you can easily remember the S block elements and what is the configuration also. So now we will study about the salts that are included in the S block. So the most important salt that we are going to discuss first is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is also called as washing soda and it is a very important component of most of the detergents as it has got cleansing properties. The formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3.10H2O. Here 10H2O means that 10 moles of water are incorporated in the interstitial space of sodium carbonate. Hence, this is a dry salt, but you will be studying about it that 10 moles of water are present in the interstitial space or the crystalline space of this solid. Now let us study how to formulate the washing soda. It is formulated by mixing together ammonia, carbon dioxide and water, which gives us initially ammonium carbonate. When ammonium carbonate is later on mixed with water and carbon dioxide, then it gives us ammonium hydrogen carbonate. And when ammonium hydrogen carbonate is added with sodium chloride, it gives us ammonium chloride with sodium bicarbonate. And 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate finally gives us sodium carbonate. So these were the steps by which we can formulate washing soda. Now let us study about sodium chloride. Yes, sodium chloride is a most common salt that we use in our household. It is also called as table salt as it is a prominent member of our table. Now it is also called as kitchen salt because it is used in the kitchen. Now what is the formula of this compound? The formula of this compound is NaCl and it is used besides giving taste to the food. It is also used in preparing other compounds such as sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda. Now let us study about another important salt and that is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is also called as caustic soda. Have you seen sodium hydroxide in the lab children? Yes, I will tell you, it is present in the form of pellets in the lab. These white colored pellets when dissolved in water make the water hot, that is, it is an exothermic reaction. It is also used in the manufacturing of soaps. Yes, sodium hydroxide is an important component of the soap. Now let us see how it is prepared in the lab. It is prepared in the lab by mixing together sodium chloride with water and preparing a solution of brine, and by which if electrolysis is done then we can obtain sodium hydroxide. So this was one of the important methods to prepare sodium hydroxide in the lab. Now let us see what is sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is another important component which is present in our household. It is also called as meetha soda or baking soda, and the formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaHCO3. Have you seen children your mother using sodium bicarbonate in preparing idlis and in preparing khaman or in the cake? Yes, it is the intellectual property of this compound to produce carbon dioxide when heated up. This carbon dioxide is later on required in making the food item spongy. It is also used in the fire extinguishers as it releases out carbon dioxide gas. Now let us see how is baking soda prepared. Baking soda is prepared by heating sodium carbonate with water and carbon dioxide to give us 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. So I hope you would have looked at all these slides, and I think these all were very interesting and would have helped you a lot. No matter how bad it gets, the sun will always come. With this hope, you should always keep shining, keep working hard, and God bless you. I will be coming with more exciting videos, and if you really liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and I will be coming with more interesting and very nice videos in future. Thank you for being a very nice audience. Thank you all.